Welcome back. Now, when each unit has been completed, we need to fill in and sign the form that tells us the unit has been completed. So this is just a copy of what the form should look like. Okay? And remember, you as the student will have signed the unit. Put your name and the date, okay, as well. The assessor would also need to sign down here, okay? And once this unit has been signed, it confirms that you have successfully provided the information as a work-based learner to meet the criteria in regards to your NVQ folder, okay? So now if anyone says to you that you don't need to have these signed, then someone is not meeting the requirements as set out by what I would call the leading electrical bodies. Okay? So again, just making sure you can see this, okay, overall for yourselves. Thank you. Okay. And coming back to take a long shot of it, okay? Thank you.